Hey everybody, it's Steve. Thanks for joining me today. I'm going to do a little guided meditation, about 15 minutes or so. So grab your gear, get yourself set up, and we'll get started here in just one sec. Welcome back, everybody. We're going to get started with our 15-minute guided meditation. Today, we're going to do the meditation seated. You can get comfortable wherever you are. If you want to get seated on a bolster and a blanket like I am, there's no wrong or right to it as long as you're comfortable. That's really what matters most, all right? So let yourself get settled in. I'll give you just a few seconds. I'm going to close my eyes, start relaxing my body and my breath. As you sit here, take notice of your breath. Is it slow? Is it fast? Is it short or is it long? Now there's nothing to change yet, just let it be. Nothing more and nothing less. Start by giving some attention to the physical space you're sitting in. Sense the earth or the floor beneath you, and then sense the sky or the ceiling above you. And notice the natural environment or the full walls that are around you. Take notice of your body and see how it occupies the physical space in relation to all of those other elements. Now move your attention to your inner space, deep down inside, and get a sense of your spine, and then your bones. And notice them as they support the entire structure of your body and of your skin. See them as a container for the contents for your body. Now start bringing your awareness into your hands. Feel what's going on inside of them right here in this moment. Then continue moving up into your arms. Slowly move up to your shoulders. And then into your neck and finally into your head. Start imagining that your attention is a warm, thick, glowing golden liquid. And your head is filled with this warm, thick, glowing golden liquid. Now start letting it pour from the top of your head, down through your face, neck, and into your shoulders. Feel it slowly move down into your torso, your arms, pelvis, and into your buttocks. Now feel it as it moves into your thighs, your calves, ankles, and finally into your feet. You can feel that warm, thick, glowing golden liquid now fills the entire space of your body. Now just allow yourself to be with the sensations inside your body. Check in what's happening right now inside this space. Try to imagine yourself as a magnet, open to receiving a flush of warmth throughout your space as you do this body scan. Now, it's okay if you don't feel it. That energy will flow through you at first, and there's no need to get caught up in evaluating what it might be feeling or seeing or sensing. Just let go of any mind chatter or extra commentary about it. Let it be what it is. There is no wrong. There is no right. It just is. Allow yourself to feel whatever you feel, experience whatever you experience, while staying aware and inside your physical space. There's no need to worry about the position or condition of your body right now. Just be here, inside your body space, looking around. If you have any mental images that arise, just let them go. Let them pass by. Let them move through. Whatever feelings or thoughts come up, notice them. And then let them go too. Now start moving your attention into your organs, starting with your heart, and then your lungs. And finally, move your attention to your belly, your abdomen. Scan your whole inner space from top to bottom and bottom to top. From your toes to your temples, from your skin through your muscles and into your bones. Now, let's bring our awareness back up to your head and just notice what's there. Is there a quality of openness now, or is there one of contraction? Look at the area behind your eyes and around your brain as you breathe and scan. Let any sense of tightness or clutter in your brain, your skull, your eyes, or even jaw muscles dissolve like an ice cube in hot water. Just allow yourself to breathe. Just breathe and experience. Let it be and just relax. While you're scanning, if you locate any aches, pains, tightness, or fatigue anywhere, start looking at these things up close. Locate any feelings of stuck energy or resistance in your body, and then move your attention exactly to where that tension, that discomfort, that sensation of tiredness exists. Where is it? How big is it? Is it the size of a pea? Or is it the size of an orange? Maybe it's the size of a melon. How far in is it? How deep inside is it? And take notice of what color radiates from it. Does it have a texture? Is it moving? Is it staying still? What is it doing? Do you have any thoughts, judgments, or any other images from your past that are attached to it? Now, if there are, just notice what's there. And try not to change it. Simply just watch it and let it be. Next, start to imagine your body as a clear glass container that's filled with every nook and cranny with that warm, thick, golden liquid sunshine. Notice the quality of inner brightness this warm liquid carries as it fills your feet, your calves, your thighs, pelvis, torso, arms, and then continues moving steadily up all the way to the top of your head. Now visualize. Each one of your 10 toes and fingers has a release valve at its tip. Slowly, start to open up those valves and let that warm liquid begin to slowly drain out of you. Can you feel it draining downward out of your head, your neck, and throughout the entire rest of your body, cleansing your inner space? As that warm substance drains out of your body, imagine it's sponging up and absorbing everything in its path. Let it remove, absorb, and soak up any resistance, toxic energy, tension, judgments, negative beliefs, or any other garbage that has been polluting your body and making it heavy. Remember, the intention here is to clear and unclutter your inner space. So try and let every drop of that warm liquid release completely out of you. Take a deep breath. Fill up your lungs. And breathe out, enjoying the sensation of a fulfilling, healthy emptiness. Scan one more time. Is your space clear? And if you notice anything remaining, just let it be. It doesn't matter. Now for the next few moments, try to imagine a flame near your heart, igniting a glowing brightness that stems throughout your inner space, infusing every part of your body with the energy of pure possibility. Slowly start making your way back to your mats. Continue that gentle inhale and exhale. When you're ready, gently blink open your eyes. And then together, let's take a nice big inhale, reach up to the sky, stretch. Exhale your hands down to heart center. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you get a chance, maybe join us and watch this next video for another guided meditation, or if you want something just a little more physical, watch this video. Hopefully it's over here for a little vinyasa flow. Anyway, have a great day. Thanks so much for joining me. Bye-bye.